Hi guys, AdrianK here with Johnson RV. We are here in our showroom today, and we've got our 2025 FX. This is going to be on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. This is one of my favorite motorhomes that we carry here at Johnson. We're pretty short, we're about 25 feet 1 inch. This Unity has some optional upgrades that we put on here. So one of the big things is we do have the upgraded battery pack. So we have two 270 amp hour battle-born batteries. We have 540 amp hours on this coach. We have that coupled up with a 3,000 watt inverter. You have our nice Girard awning here as well. So that's a power awning, so it's a huge camp area. And then we've got our Truma Aqua Go Comfort Plus. So this is going to be for our furnace and our hot water heater. We also have the optional outside table, so that folds up very nicely here. One of the things that I love so much too on the leisure travel van is just the paint. So you've got basically 3 layers of paint and then 2 layers of clear. So the fit and finish is just amazing on this. We're gonna head on inside. Just want to show you guys the floor plan. So this is going to be the layout on our 24 FX. We do have these nice lounge chairs here. Everything is ultra leather from Leisure Travel. This will fold down into a bed. We don't have too much time today, but if you come in, I'd love to show you. One of my favorite things too here is the countertops. So this is going to be a 1/2 inch of Corian countertops here throughout. And then this is pretty ingenious too. So we've got a stainless steel sink, high-rise faucet. You can actually have the water running by having this little opening right here. Great layout. We have a nice little lounge area. So this gives you actually 2 separate living areas. And then the bathroom here is pretty amazing. I'll have Andrew kind of pan in here, point this out. So we've got our porcelain tile, or excuse me, our porcelain toilet. And then one of the things that I love too is that you can actually make this door expand outward, so you get a little bit more room in the bathroom. So you just simply pull this panel, it will latch, gives you more space. If you guys would like to come see this motorhome in person, either come out and see myself or Andrew. My name's Adrian. My phone number is 503-956-1403. Thank you.